The Farmland glitch method, as claimed by some users, reportedly allows exploitation of the Farmland feature in a way that can lead to extra rewards such as free money, coupons, and gifts. The Farmland loyalty program enables users to earn credits by virtually growing crops on digital land, which can later be redeemed for items within the app. To access the Farmland feature on your account, launch the app and navigate to the U page. Locate and click on the Opt Nav Farmland option. From there, click the Invite button to generate an invite link. Copy the link and paste it into your browser. Modify the last part of the link by changing it to a random number. Then press Enter and refresh your profile page. Upon refreshing, an additional referral and spin may appear in your account. This process can be repeated multiple times to accumulate more referrals and spins.